Loving people of Rivers State. Upon my assumption of duty as the 47th Commissioner of Police, Rivers State, I pledge to lead the command with strategy, professionalism, and collaboration. In the past months, the Rivers State Police Command, working in close synergy with Nigerian Army, Navy, Air Force, the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense, DSS, and other critical security stakeholders, have made remarkable progress in our sustained operations to curb criminals' activities across the state. Through these united efforts, we have intensified our crackdown on violent crimes, leading to the arrest of numerous suspects involved in heinous crimes, such as armed robbery, kidnapping, cultism, human trafficking, and murder, as well as recovery of vital exhibits. Today's briefing highlights some of the most significant breakthrough recently recorded through these joint security initiatives. First is the arrest of suspected vandals and the recovery of explosives. Vandals at an oil spill well in Kipian community. The crime was committed on the 10th of August 2025. Suspect arrested includes one John Usekwe, 38 years, James Ikpogo, 20 years, Gospower Ingbam, 28 years, Happy Mudo, 27 years, Apoli Babari Ibede, 35 years, and 7 others, all arrested, totaling 12 in number. Item recovered includes 3 GX1 Dynatrac con and 3 suspected explosives that has been handed over to the EOD. Second, there was arrest of suspects in murder of one prominent barrister, Owo, and recovery of weapons used by the criminals. Omo's funds were stolen from him. He was murdered in a court-related violence. The murder took place on July 6, 2025. Total persons arrested were 7. All that participated in that murder were arrested. Vehicle recovered. Names of persons arrested are Prince Samuel, 30 years, Daniel Godwin, Harry Peter, 24, Godry Emmanuel, a.k.a. Ibu, who is the gang leader, 30 years of age, Chukwu Neji, 34 years, Jotis Dinkpa, 27 years, and Promise Wikere, 22 years. All the 7 suspects who participated in the killing of that barrister were all arrested. Items recovered from them includes 1 MTN SIM card, 4 locally made pistols, 7 rounds of 9mm ammunition, 2 live cartridges, 1 mini bus they used for their operation, and a Toyota Camry. The third is the arrest of interstate car snatching syndicates and recovery of the vehicles. This syndicate has been ravaging the state for a very long time. Since September 2024, we have been on their trail. And we're using one to arrest the other, and we arrest almost in all the states of the Federation where they have their buyers to supply those stolen vehicles. Total of people arrested are 11. I'll mention some of the names. John Amadi, 40 years, Nana Goodluck, 45, Yakub Abdul, 35, Abdul Karim Samuel, 35, Adamu Musa, a dismissed personnel, Shehu Shagari Oyechi Ikwe, 53, Ikechukwu Joseph, 35 years, Michael Emerewa, who is 40 years, Elijah Nwawa Sunday, 45 years. That one's a self-claimed pastor. All totaling 11 were arrested. Vehicle recovered, stolen, 19 vehicles. Also, there was arrest of notorious cultists and recovery of firearm and ammunition. Since the inception of the state of emergency, all the agencies jointly together have been storming all cultist camps and dislodging them from different camps at which they reside. And we've made a lot of success. In this aspect, some notorious cultists in Gokana area at Igbo-Eche, especially those that are known to be killers, were arrested. 2 prominent members of those cultists were arrested. One's name is John Emmanuel Bako, aka CBN, 30 years. Chijoke Oyegoro Nwako, 30 years. Items recovered from them include one AK-47 rifle with breech number 2973, 2 magazines with 10 rounds of 7.6 mm ammunition. Equally, we arrest suspected sea pirates and who have been threatening people on water because of the onslaught on the cultists within the town. The rate of kidnapping went so low that they now started abducting people on water. So we intensified patrol on water with the Navy and the Marine, Police Marine. A lot of them were arrested. One of their notorious kingpin, named Fubara M, was arrested at Ere Sekiri Fishing Port in Abonima. This arrest was made on the 25th of August 2025. Recovered items include 1 La rifle with breech number FALOA 476, 19 rounds of live ammunition, a pump action gun with live cartridge, and 1 wrap of dynamite. Breakdown of recovery made between January and August so far: 21 AK-47 rifles. We have them displayed here. We have 8,000 ammunitions of different caliber, 10 magazines, 8 revolver pistols, 115 vehicles, 34 pump action, 2 Dane guns, 2 Scorpion submachine guns, 1 La rifle, 2 explosives. Total number of suspects arrested are 33. 10 English-made pistols recovered, 2 PMG, 67 cartridges, 15 conventional ammunitions. All are displayed here. Let me make you know that Rivers State Police Command remain committed to the safety and security of all citizens and residents. This operation reflects a broader strategy to dismantle crime network and ensure public confidence in law enforcement agencies, especially as it concerns this upcoming chairmanship and councillorship election. We appeal to members of the public to partner with the security agencies in giving credible information to us so we can serve you better. Thank you and God bless. Okay, for your verification, all the items recovered in joint operation with all agencies are here displayed around the headquarters for you to view and see for yourself. The men who participated effectively in those operations are there to explain issues to you on how they were recovered. They are all displayed, so for your perusal, you can go around and check and keep your records. Thank you. Yaro. Chicken fully loaded. These are their belts. These are recovered. These are locally made, fabricated revolving rifle for all locally fabricated. The retail firearms are not supposed to be. Pulling up, we have a NSCDC was killed, while one soldier had some injury, still receiving treatment. We've arrested a lot of them. The keeping is still on the run. We are on his trail. These are other equipment also recovered with ammunition. There. Equally. Also, these ones were recovered on intelligence. When we arrived, most of these cultists camped to their hills and abandoned some of these. They were recovered and some were recovered from them while they were trying to escape. And equally, the pistols that are here, some locally fabricated. These ones are locally fabricated and very sophisticated. These are 9mm. So all are here, including this caliber revolver that can take up to 6 rounds of cartridges. These are just the few we can display. The cars are there, the vehicles are there. Some has been released to the genuine owners who the vehicle was stolen from them because we don't want to keep it unnecessarily. But we have the pictures of the one that we released before releasing to the genuine owners. These are the ones that we've not been able to see who owns them, and we're still publishing to know if anyone has his vehicle stolen and he sees among these other ones, he should come forward and let us know. The other ones we recorded that we cannot bring here, the PRO will give them to you. So if there's anyone at all who sees any of his vehicle in those clips by the PRO, should let us know so that they can come and receive their vehicle. Thank you.
Okay. Hey, you're calm.